The last voice message from my father. Life moves very fast. Days pass without stopping. We think there is always time. We delay calls and messages. We do not know what tomorrow brings. This story is about a voice message. It was small and simple, but it carried deep love. It carried silent pain. It changed a life forever. The phone was lying on the table. I was busy with my work. Notifications came again and again. I ignored them without thinking. I believed nothing was urgent. That day, my father called many times. I saw his name on the screen. I felt tired and distracted. I thought I would call him later. I did not know it was his last call. My father was a quiet man. He never asked for much. He never showed his pain. He believed love was shown by actions. He believed children were a blessing. When I was a child, he was my hero. He carried me on his shoulders. He fixed my broken toys. He listened to my small problems. He always made me feel safe. As I grew older, things changed. I moved to the city for work. Life became busy and loud. Dreams became more important than time. Calls with my father became shorter. He never complained about my distance. He never asked why I was busy. He only asked if I was okay. He only asked if I was eating well. He ended every call with prayers. That night, I finally checked my phone. One voice message was waiting. It was from my father. The timestamp was very late. My heart felt heavy before listening. His voice sounded weak and slow. He spoke my name with love. He said he missed hearing my voice. He said he was proud of me. He stopped many times while talking. His breathing sounded tired. He told me not to worry about him. He told me to take care of myself. He asked me to visit when I could. Tears filled my eyes instantly. I pressed the call button quickly. I wanted to hear him live. The phone kept ringing, but no one answered. Fear entered my heart suddenly. I called again and again. My hands were shaking badly. My mind stopped working. A strange silence surrounded me. Early in the morning, the call came. My father had passed away. He left quietly in his sleep. He was holding his phone. The voice message was his goodbye. I returned home with a broken heart. The house felt empty and cold. His chair was still near the window. His prayer mat was still folded. His presence was everywhere but unseen. I sat alone in his room. I played the voice message again. His voice touched my soul. Regret burned inside my chest. I wished I had called him back. Days passed, but pain remained. Work continued, but joy disappeared. Success felt empty without him. Silence became very loud. Memories followed me everywhere. Now I call my mother every day. I listen more than I speak. I value every moment. I do not delay love anymore, because time never comes back. The voice message is still saved. I listen to it when I feel weak. It reminds me of his love. It reminds me of my mistake. It reminds me to never wait. Lesson: don't wait. Love your parents now.